Anyamboto comes you to Barosland peeps. To the new and the old, you are most welcome and please enjoy every moment. Today's peep looks at the step-by-step demonstration of how to cook lumanda, kabuse or mutete as it is called by different people. This is as shown by the Luvale Styles. Okay, so sit back, relax and watch.
Welcome. Today we are going to look at the mutete. This is a plant that is in the family of the hibiscus, and it is rich in vitamin C. It can also be used as a thinner of the blood. Now the Luvale people, to them this is a special dish. Mutete is consumed with our fish, and we eat all types of fish. Now, before I continue, remember to subscribe if you haven't, like, share, and hit the bell. We eat all types of fish, the bitter one, the sweet one, and the sour one. So we use the mutete. Tomatoes, spoon, knife, cooking stick, masher, oil, salt. Now your mutete, when you get it, you will have to remove it from the stems. Pluck it off the stems with the soft tip of the stem, and then you will need to wash it. Now I'm using running water. You can use water in a bucket and wash your mutete thoroughly. It may have dust or sand or anything that is not wanted. So wash it thoroughly and make sure you wash it twice. When second washing and are ready to put it, remove it from the water, squeeze the water out and put it away. Remove it without the water. When you are done, put it in your pot and put it on your fire. I have said you've washed it, you squeezed out the water, and you put it in your pot and put it on the fire and cover it with a lid. On your frying pan, you put some oil, a bit of it, and then when the oil is hot, you add your chopped tomatoes. Chop your tomatoes nicely and pour it onto your hot pan with cooking oil. Now spread your tomatoes well onto the pan, let it cover the whole base of the pan, and you need to cover it so that it cooks. While your tomato is cooking, check your mutete. By now, yes, that's how it should look. It has drained all the water that was onto the mutete, and it is looking cooked. We have basically just steamed it. Now you cover it and remove it from the fire.
Lord, we offer everything we are to you tonight.
As you are watching over your mutete, your pan should be getting cooked also. So we'll go ahead and mash our mutete. Remember, this is our signature vegetable. Luvales are synonymous to mutete. Go check your tomato by now. That is how it should look. Well cooked. You should also mash it. Mash your mutete, rather your tomato, and that's how it looks. Oh my, I am salivating. Now get your tomato, pour it into your mashed mutete. Shake off everything. Add it to your mutete, and then you mix them. Mix your tomato and your mutete thoroughly. Oh my, it's looking delicious. Take it to your fire, but before you put it on your fire, you mix it. Let everything get mixed so that we are not losing out on the beauty of the mixing and the blending. Both are already cooked and ready to eat, but not yet. Wait. Let's finish the process. So your mutete is looking thick. Now remember, mutete is a delicacy, so special. Put a bit of water to make it to loosen it so that it's not that thick. This one looks like it's still very thick, so let's add a bit more water. There you go, and you mix it again. It looks yummy, doesn't it? Add salt to your mutete. I'll just slightly, like in a teaspoon, add some salt. Please remember, do not eat too much salt. It's not relish. It's just to enhance those buds. So mix with your salt and put it back on the fire. Say for a minute, and voila! That's how your mutete should look. Look at that. Look at that. This mutete is ready to be eaten. Mutete is special. If somebody has had malaria and has not been eating, bring out the mutete and serve it to them. They will eat just a little bit. That sourish taste is an appetizer. Oh my, I'm drooling. Wow, that was just the one.
Thank you, Luvale Style, for that demonstration. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned how to prepare kabuse, lumanda, mutete, whatever you call it, in another way. Thank you so much for watching. It's bye for now. See you next time.